I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. Welcome to my live trading session. Alright. Right now, I'm going to do my analysis. Right. Currently, I am on the 5-minute Great Britain Pound US dollar. Right here. You have a lower low. Sorry, you have a lower high. Right. Drawing my trend line, right, from the tip of the wick, right, at the lowest lower high to the tip of the wick and the highest lower high, right. I find that when you draw the trend line on the tip of the wick, you get more information, right. Some experts say you can draw your trend line at the close of the candle, right, but I find that trading over the years, when you draw the trend line on the tip of the wick, you get more information. So my trend line again is at the tip of the wick, right, the last higher high to the tip of the close, right. So all I'm doing right here is my technical analysis, right. I'm surveying the market for the right buying opportunity because the market is in a bull trend. So let me add another marker right here, right. That is a higher high. So right there, we identify that the market is in a bull trend because we have two higher high, two clear higher low, right, and the market come back, right. So let me go to my trading account. I'm on a demo account, right. So I have my confirmation, right, which is the bull candle. So I go ahead and I place a buy order. I'm using a $20 lot size, right. So the market came into that area right there, right. So I'm using this tool in order to get the price. So now I'm going to modify the order, right. So 1.3859, modify. So the price is 1.38429 is the price that I bought the currency for. The 429, which is the last 3 digit, right, minus 359 times is 70 pip times 3, right, which is 210, right? So a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, the profit should be 210 plus 429 equal 639. So our take profit would be 1 38 639, right, and click modify. So that is our take profit. As you can see over on the right hand side, market is going up, right? So you can see the bull candles forming even though we are in negative, right? Because of the spread. When we click buy, the spread was a bit too wide, so the entry point was higher than it was supposed to be, right? The entry point should have been right at the tip of that bull candle. So just putting in some arrows to indicate that the market is pointing upward and is expecting to go up, right, and take out that the last higher high. So we are getting some resistance right at that point. Up top we have a little structure at the top that is giving us a little bit of resistance, right? Going back to trading view now. So the market is going up. Let me just put in a symbol to indicate that the market is expected to go up. So at the last lower low, we have that the last arrow pointing up. That is our entry point, right? Right, and that bull candle is indicating that buying pressure is in the market, so that's where we want to enter, right? Right there. So the market is expected to push further up and take out the last higher high because it's creating higher highs and higher lows. So in trend trading, once the market is respecting the trend, it is expected to push further up and take out the last higher high. Right? If that doesn't happen, it is an indication that the market is about to reverse. But once it is respecting the trend, right, based on principles that once the market is trending, it will always be creating higher highs and higher low in a bull trend, right? So let's see if the principle is correct on this trade. The market is pushing up, right, creating another bull candle. Go back to MetaTrader 4, right? So right now we are in profit, $80 profit, as you can see. So that is a good sign. Market is going up. Now we have a area right here, which is posing some resistance. Right, so we are watching this area carefully. Right, as the market is expected to take out the last higher high, but that area of resistance, we have to watch it because depending on how strong that area is, the market can also reverse. So you have to watch that area carefully. So we are in profit, $180 profit right now. Now remember, our aim is to pull money out of the market. Back to trading view where we do our analysis. So market is still pushing up, trying to break through that area of resistance right there. Right, so still going up, trying to take out the last higher high. Market break through the last higher high, still pushing up, right, but still in that area of resistance over on the far left up top. And go back to MetaTrader 4, we are in $440 profit right now. Right, so still watching, $460 profit. So because the market is gaining some strong resistance right up top, right here in this area, right, in my mind I'm gearing up, waiting for an opportunity, right, in order to trail my stop loss and secure some of this profit. Because remember, the aim is to pull money out the market, right? So I'm waiting on another candle to form, right, and to see how this candle close. Remember, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Every 5 minutes a candle is formed, right? So I'm waiting on this candle. Right, there you go. So the candle close higher than the last higher high, which is a good signal. Right, back to trading view. Right, so the market close, big bull candle close, last take out the last higher high. Right, so it is expected that the market should push up a little bit further, right? But we are still getting some resistance on the left hand side up top, so we are still concerned about that area. We are watching that area to see if the market will break through it and take it out, right? So market is retracing right now a bit, $340 profit, 260, right? So we are down from 400 and something dollars profit to 260, right? But we are not really concerned about that, right? Because the area that the market just took out, which is the last higher high, should act as some level of support, right? Which it is retesting that area right now for support, right, in order to push up a bit further. So there you go, retest, didn't break through and go back down, so it's pushing up, trying to break through the resistance level on the left hand side. So we are back up to 420 profit, still retesting, right? We are watching, right? So I'm waiting on this candle to close, right, and see how the market moves after the closing of this candle. Right, so we're in $500 profit right now. Market is pushing up, trying to break through the resistance on the left hand side. Right, now in my master course, I will be teaching how to take profit, right? Profit taking zones, profit taking areas, which will advance your trading, right? So remember, the aim is to pull money out the market, right? So we are in $480 profit, right? Going back to trading view. So fast forward a bit, we are in 900 and something dollars profit, right? Higher high, the market took out that higher high and push up further, but we are still in resistance level. Market is still gaining some level of resistance, right? So right there, the market took out the last higher high and push up further. We are in $920 profit, right? $880 profit. The market is retracing, still getting that strong resistance, right? So trail my stop loss behind the last three candle in order to secure some of the profit, right? So as the market progress, even though I'm profiting $920, went up as high as $1,800. If I wanted, I could close out the trade, right? But I'm just trailing my stop loss behind the last three candle in order to see if the market is going to push further up, right? because it's gaining a lot of resistance. So the market is pushing down, unable to break through the resistance, and we are stopped out in profit, right? So that's how you pull money out the market, right? Didn't reach our take profit, right? Because the market was gaining a lot of resistance, right? So we trail with stop loss, right, in order to secure profit, right? So we profit off of this trade. We profit $560, right, from this trade, right? So from this one trade, using the trend trading strategy, pulling money out the market, we profit $560, and this is a demo account, right? This is not a live account. This is a demo account just for training purpose.